Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make content based off of self-improvement, fitness, and a vlog. So if any of those things interest you, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button down below. So today I will be doing how I utilize my Bloom planner. So when you first open up the page going into the new month, it has a place for your visions for the month, which is a part that I really love. You can map out certain things that you want to do to accomplish each goal in these different areas. So I'm just showing you right here where it has where you can put something for your personal, April visions. You can put something from your personal goals, relationship goals, health and fitness goals, family and home, work and school, finances, fun and adventure. And then I just made two different ones, spiritual for me and just miscellaneous things that I would like to accomplish for the month. And then it has a saying right here. There's a new saying each time that you can go into your visions for the month. So I really love that. So going into the next page, on this page is just an overview of the month. And I like to write down my important dates that I have for the month, of course. There is another saying that's right there that I really love. I think that's pretty dope. That it has like encouraging motivational quotes throughout the whole planner. And then I like to plan out what bills I have for the month, and something that I have to do is write down what days those bills are due. But yeah, that's how I like to utilize this part of the planner. I love that. Then going into the next page, you can plan out what you need to do day by day. I don't know what that was on there, but yeah, you can plan out what you want to do day by day. So right here, there's notes and ideas and to-dos, which I usually like to put my ideas for what I want to post on Instagram and YouTube for the week, and the notes and to-dos. And I'm just showing you there's another quote, another motivational saying right there. But yeah, I just plan out everything that I need to get done for the day. I like at the bottom how you can keep track of how many bottles of water that you've drank for the day, Right here, I am showing you, what am I showing you? Okay, so I'm showing you how I have my day planned out for the day. So right here on the side, up here I have my weekly priorities, things that I prioritize for the week. On the side is where I have what I need to post for Instagram and YouTube. Right here is what I need to get done for the day. And then, yeah, that's just how I plan out for my days, just like that. So this concludes my video. It was simple, but I hope this inspired you to get a planner and better plan out your day so you can utilize your time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.